To turn the machine on in the morning, turn the knife switch to the on position. To power up, turn the control circuit switch to the on position. It'll take approximately 3 minutes to boot up. Once the machine is powered up, go ahead and press the green Start Machine button. Once you hit the Start Machine button, all the lights in the light tower will turn green. Next, it will tell you to start the homing sequence. Go to the main screen, press the Home Machine button. The indicator light in the apex turns red when you cannot enter the light curtain. Go to the library screen, pick the job that you would like to run. This one is a 6/8 with 4-inch square hinges. Double click it. Once the door job is loaded, confirm that it's the right width, length. Add 1 to the queue. When you add 1 to the queue, the heads will move to the start position. If you make a mistake, you can cancel that door job. Go to the machine line, clear queue, go back to the library, and you can add whatever door job you want. The black button is the start sequence button. To pause the machine while it's moving, you can hit the pause button. At any time, you can hit the emergency stop button to stop the machine. To reset the machine after emergency e-stop, twist and pull back. To unpause the machine, push the pause button again to resume. Turn the auto feed on. The door will move into position. Place the jam onto the jam stop and hit the jam clamp. Make sure your hands are clear from the jam clamps. Press the start sequence button. You can start sequence at the Maytag or the button box on the right hand side of the machine. Apply the hinge to the 6-shooter, bring it into position for the H-block, hit the start sequence button, which will drop the 6-shooter down into position. Hit the insert screw button, that will drive the screws. Hit the reset button, they'll come back into position. Bring it to the next position, hit start sequence. Make sure it drops into the H-block. Insert screws, reset will bring it back up. Onto the next hinge. If you have a misfire and you didn't receive a screw on the hinge, you can hit clear screws. To load or unload screws, you can push the white button. As long as you're in auto feed mode, you can hit unclamp on the 6-shooter to release the door. You can also use the foot paddle to unclamp the door, or you can hit the soft key on the screen to unclamp the door. Once you push the unclamp button, the door will release. You also have the auto start option. Turn on the auto feed. The door will clamp up. In auto start mode, once you place the jam into position and clamp it, as soon as you leave the light curtain, it will start after 1 second. To power down the machine, go to the Windows button, hit the shutdown button, wait for the PLC to shut down. Once you have that it is now safe to turn off your computer screen up, you can turn off the control circuit. To turn the machine off at the end of the day, turn the knife switch to the off position. Refer to the Apex Quick Start for power up, power down, door job libraries, add door job to the queue, processing the door jam. Also refer to it for about the light tower, jam setup, safety indicator lights, and the 6-shooter and 8 shooters.